Hi, I am Ali Liaquat from Golden Seasons Travel and Tours. How can you start your own travel business? Don't start a new travel agency business unless you watch this video first. Travel Agency is a full-service travel agency that specializes in adventure travel and provides recreational and business travelers with professional service and consultation. Travel Agency will position itself as a specialist in the field of adventure travel and will generate the majority of its income from this segment. Turn your passion for travel into a career. The travel industry is changing. Never before have this many people traveled. COVID-19 changed everything. This also means that your chance to make an impact in the world's largest industry has never been bigger. There are big gaps in the market waiting to be filled. Running a travel business used to be easy. You needed to be placed in a popular spot and just wait. Nowadays people plan their trips online, often months before they go. The internet is crowded and getting attention is hard for small destinations and companies. How can you stand out from the crowd? It is all about understanding the travelers and understanding the systems. Through many years in the industry, supplying tens of thousands of travelers and working with thousands of top companies, we started to see a pattern that separates the successful from the less successful. Are you ready? We can help you make an impact in the travel business. Complete Travel Agency Business Plan 1. Executive Summary. What is the objective of the firm? Why does it make business sense? How will you make money? Summarize your whole business plan into one paragraph. 1. Mission. What is your competitive advantage and how can you describe it to investors and customers? 2. Keys to success. Effectively segment and target adventure travelers within the larger travel market. Successfully position ourselves as adventure travel specialists. Communicate the differentiation and quality of our offering through personal interaction and media. Develop a repeat business base of loyal customers. 3. Company Summary. Travel Agency is a full-service travel agency that specializes in adventure travel and provides recreational and business travelers with professional service and consultation. Travel Agency will position itself as a specialist in the field of adventure travel and will generate the majority of its income from this segment. 4. Company Ownership. Travel Agency is a sole proprietorship owned and operated by Liaquat Ali in the Lahore of 99 Larrick Stop, Punjab. Travel Agency owner is researching the possibility of establishing Travel Agency as a limited liability company (LLC) or partnership (LLP). This may occur within 18 months of operation. 5. Products, services. What are the products or services? Include full product, service descriptions. How will the products, services be priced? Which approach will be taken in deciding on price? What future products, services are going to be added on? 6. Market Analysis Summary. What is the market for this business? Do an industry analysis. What risks do you foresee? Market risks, competition risks, business risks. 7. Market segmentation. Are there segments to the market that the company will be focusing on? What are the market trends? Is this a seasonal marketplace? What is the projected market growth? 8. Target market segment strategy. What is the customer profile? Describe in detail who the customers are and what will be the strategy for acquiring those customers. Will you try to go after all the market segments at once or focus efforts on one or two and add more later? Are some more profitable than others? 9. Service Business Analysis. The U.S. travel and tourism industry is the nation's third largest retail industry, and the U.S. Department of Commerce says that it will be number 1 by the year 2000. Revenues from travel have increased approximately 100% in the last decade. U.S. travel agencies produce over $100 billion in revenues each year. The market is separated into two main categories, business and leisure travel. Each contributes about 45% to total revenues. The remainders of revenues are generated from combined business-leisure trips. The market is further separated into domestic and international travel. Domestic travel accounts for approximately 70% of industry revenues. Business travel can be divided into two categories, the medium to large corporate account and the small independent businessman. Leisure travelers are classified according to the types of trips they take, income, or age. The four primary leisure travel groups are 1. Adventure, special interest, R&R, honeymoons, and sightseeing trips. 2. High-income travelers. 3. Budget-conscious travelers. 4. Families, students and seniors. 10. Competition and buying patterns. There are many activities and types of travel available to people contemplating an adventure vacation. These substitute products and services are one type of competition. Theme parks, motor home trips, and cruises are just a few. Other substitutes include less expensive, self-planned, or trips geared towards more traditional types of vacations. In addition, potential customers do not have to vacation. Instead, they may elect to spend elsewhere, or invest the money they would have otherwise spent on a vacation. Direct competition can come from virtually any agency, and there are several agencies that specialize in adventure travel in the United States. Lifestyle, age, and disposable income influence the decision to travel and in which type of travel to participate. Adventure travelers make purchase decisions based upon their desire to combine athletic interests with vacation time. The average adventure traveler engages in one adventure travel vacation every 12 to 18 months. Thanks for watching Golden Seasons Travel and Tours videos. For more videos, contact our website www.gsttours.com. Please subscribe our channel and touch bell icon. Also like and share this video.